Well, to improve our English speaking skills or to speak English fluently and confidently, we need to constantly immerse ourselves in English. We need to create an English environment around us. You must have heard this multiple times, million times, right? But today I'm going to tell you very simple, very easy tips and methods which will help you to immerse yourself in English the entire day, and you will not feel bored as well without feeling overwhelmed or bored. This will help you to immerse yourself in English, create an English environment around you, and you will learn a lot in a very interesting and entertaining way. And ultimately, it will help you to speak English fluently and confidently as well. What is this method? What are the tips and tricks? I'm going to tell you everything in this video or in this session. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. And to engage yourself in my comment section. Write your comments in the comment section, guys. It will help you to engage in conversation. It will help you to break that ice, that barrier, to start speaking in English or to start writing something in English. Now let's get started with the topic. If you're asked to immerse yourself in English or create an English environment around you by learning this language the entire day or doing something or the other in English only, how will you feel? Of course, you will not like it. You will get bored. You will feel overburdened and it will become overwhelming for you. You will not be able to learn the language in this way, right? We are humans. We can't concentrate the entire day on a single thing. Our mind keeps on wandering. We have to do a lot of things. We think about a lot of things. So if you just stick to English the entire day, it is not gonna work out. So today I'm here to tell you what you can exactly do to engage yourself or to create an English environment around you or to immerse yourself in English the entire day without getting overburdened or without feeling bored or without getting overwhelmed. The first one is you love using social media accounts, right? We are on Facebook, we are on X or Twitter, we are on Instagram, we are on WhatsApp, YouTube as well, right? Multiple times in a day we do browse these apps, right? We do chat with friends on WhatsApp, we do chat with people on Facebook, we do write comments and engage ourselves in conversations on different social media sites. So we do all these activities. So what if I tell you start using social media to your benefit, to your advantage? Now what you can do here is, the first thing is when you are engaging in conversation with people, try to engage with them in English. The language, the mode of the language should be English. Okay, if you're replying to a comment, if you're talking about something, try to make sure that you speak in English about it. So when you're putting a status on Instagram or WhatsApp or Facebook or any other social media platform, just try to make sure that you write a status in English. Or if you're replying to some comments or threads, do make sure that you reply to them in English. So that is the first thing you have to start doing. Second thing is, on social media platforms, there are lots of learning channels also. Like I am on YouTube, right? I am on LinkedIn. So in the same way, there are lots of channels, there are lots of things which are available on Instagram and X and Facebook and other social media sites where you can learn things. So start joining those communities, start joining those channels, right? For grammar, for pronunciation, or for any puzzle or activity related to English speaking or English speaking practice. There are lots of channels which are available. There are lots of communities which are available on these platforms. There's short videos also, like they share reels on Instagram, they share short stuffs on Instagram and Facebook and other social media platforms, also X also. There are lots of communities and groups which share a lot of materials related to the language. Okay, so make sure you join those communities and groups. Now what this will do, whenever you go to these channels, you will get the updates there. You just have to simply look at it, give it a look, read it once. That's it. It will indirectly become your habit or routine to start looking at those updates also, start looking at those things also, and it will slowly start getting into your head. You will start grasping things slowly. Okay, so you have to get into the habit first. If you've come across something like some grammar exercise or something, make sure that you look at it, you have a look at it, you see what it is about. And if you're not very sure at that time that you want to do it, or you want to just read it once. If you don't want to do it, if you don't want to concentrate or focus at that time, just leave it. Give it a look and then you can just do whatever you want to. Now in this way you will get habituated with looking at those things also. Right, when you're browsing your social media, when these updates also comes, you will be able to focus on it later. Okay, you'll find it interesting slowly. So start joining groups and communities and you will get updates. Maybe once will not notice, twice will not notice, but sometime you will start noticing. At some point of time, you'll start noticing it and you'll start focusing it, and it will be interesting for you to work on those. Right? For 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, that's it. The entire day, multiple times you open your social media accounts, right? And those things will keep coming to you. At some point of time, you will be able to focus on it and you will learn that, right? So keep the learnings going. Every time you will look at it, you will learn something new. So in this way, the entire day you are immersing yourself in English. You are creating an English environment around you. You are commenting on posts in English. You are talking to people in English, replying to comments in English, putting your status in English, right? Joining groups and communities. These are really going to help you a lot, guys. The entire day you will be able to make sure that you're doing something or the other in English. At least you are reading, you are writing, you are speaking, you are working on some activity. So this will be the entire day process. Next, what I'm going to tell you is, again, you can utilize these platforms for English speaking also. You can make a group of your friends or colleagues who want to speak in English. Okay, I have done this, guys. Trust me on this. I was in college and I wanted to crack the interviews. My English was not that great. We all came up with a group. I had just 2 friends of mine in the group. But later on, when people started knowing about it, they started joining those groups. And literally every day we used to take out time and we used to call everyone. We used to speak to people on, we used to speak to each other on one topic. We used to decide a topic through WhatsApp, and the time was fixed for the group discussion or, having a conversation. And we used to come prepared. And we used to do a video call and we used to have a conversation in English on that topic, right? So you can start doing this. You can create a WhatsApp group of your friends or relatives or colleagues who are interested in speaking in English. And whenever you talk to them, start speaking in English. Talk to them in English for 5 minutes, 10 minutes a day. This is really going to help you, guys. We do call our friends and relatives and colleagues, right? We do have something or the other to share with people. Why can't we share it in English? Right? This will help us in our speaking practice also. So if you'll take the initiative, guys, we'll start doing all these things. Social media will also turn into a boom for you. It will help you actually to immerse yourself in English, to create an English environment around you, and you will see gradually or slowly your English is definitely going to improve. and you will be fluent and confident in speaking in English in this way. But you have to make sure that you read whatever content is there on social media. You just read it. Try to understand it. If there is some words which you don't know, try to find its meaning. Use it in your own sentences, right? And try to write your comments in English. Try to write replies in English. Join groups and communities. Start interacting with people. Start learning new things. Start engaging yourself in activities or exercises related to the language. Grammar exercises. Any puzzle or quizzes which is there. There are lots of things available online which is very interesting, right? You can start playing those quizzes and puzzles to improve your English. So there are lots of things you can do on social media, guys. It is absolutely going to help you a lot, right? You can join groups and communities related to your interest also. You can listen to a lot of news articles, a lot of sports articles, right? A lot of other things which you are interested in. You can take YouTube also. You can start listen to bloggers. You can start listening to bloggers if you're interested in exploring new places, exploring new cuisines, exploring different other things. You can just join those channels and you can start watching those vlogs as well. But it has to be in English. I do it. I have a lot of vlogs which I have subscribed just to make sure that I learn this language, that I'm able to speak this language in the best possible way. Okay, so whatever you are interested, celebrity talk shows you're interested in, subscribe that channel. Start listening to those talk shows, chat shows. TEDx is my favorite, or TED Talks is my favorite. I listen to them religiously and it has really helped me a lot, guys. And there are lots more which is very interesting, which is very entertaining, and at the same time it is full of knowledge. You will gain a lot. There's nothing to lose, guys. These platforms are full of information. You need to know how to utilize it. So that is why utilize it to your advantage. Don't let these social media platforms utilize you. Rather, you utilize them. Right? So guys, I'm sure you'll follow these advices to immerse yourself in English, to create an English environment around you, to improve your English speaking skills. Well, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.